Hey there.
Types of soil for organic gardening. If you are thinking about starting a sustainable organic garden, then the type of soil you use is something worth considering. The best way to get started is by deciding what types of plants and vegetables you want to grow in your garden and how much time and money you want to invest into it. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be discussing soil for organic gardening, so let's dive in. A healthy soil is made up of water, air and weathered rock. However, the most precious ingredient in a flourishing garden is not something you can see with your eyes. It's microorganisms. These organisms are small animals that feed on organic matter, such as dead plants and animal poop, to help decompose them so that they're easier for other living things to digest. So, what are the organic gardening soil types? Sandy soil. Sandy soil is typically nutrient poor and has poorly developed crumb structure. Large sand particles also make it easy for water to drain away quickly, making nutrients difficult to acquire by plants before they are leached out of the ground with rainwater. Silty soil. Silty soils are great for growing because they have small, irregular particles of weathered rock that make it hard to grow roots and plants in the soil. The dense texture also helps retain moisture, which means less watering is needed by farmers. Clay soil. Particles of clay are tiny and flat. They pack together tightly. Clay soils become difficult to dig when they are wet, making it almost impossible for plants to break through the soil easily. When dry, the topsoil cracks into flat plates rather than being porous. The soil is less permeable to water, and that can create drought problems for farming regions compared to planting in places with sandy or loamy soils, where excess water drains away after rainfall events. So, that just about wraps things up for the video today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe and leave any comments below, and I'll see you later.